Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to automatically open downloads in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to any website where you can download a file. This could be a PDF document, an image, a zip file, or any other type of downloadable content. For the purpose of this tutorial, just locate any file you want to download to demonstrate the process. Now, go ahead and click the download button or link for that file. This will initiate the download process, and Chrome will start saving the file to your designated downloads folder. You'll see a small notification at the bottom of your browser window indicating that the download has started and is in progress. Once the file has finished downloading, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. You'll notice a download icon there, typically represented by a downward pointing arrow. Click on this icon to open the Downloads panel. This panel displays all your recent downloads and gives you quick access to manage them. In the Downloads panel, locate the file you just downloaded. It should appear at the top of the list since it's the most recent. Once you've found it, right-click on the file name. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your download. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on the option that says Always Open with System Viewer. This is the key step that changes how Chrome handles this specific file type. By selecting this option, you're telling Chrome that whenever you download this type of file in the future, it should automatically open it with your computer's default application for that file type. This means you won't need to manually open each download anymore, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. And that's it. From now on, every time you download a file of the same type in Chrome, it will automatically open once the download completes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.